So I thought to share some of my September favorites. First, we have the L'Oreal Absolute Repair Oil. I got this a couple of months ago at a PR event and I never got to try it. I ended up trying this sometime last month on my sewing. The way my hair feels after is just silky, smooth, like flowy, and it smells so good. The Poco Skintuition foundation, I got to try this sometime last month when I worked with them, and I just love how it gives me that silky skin like finish. It's not heavy, basically it's really buildable as well. I think that's the best way to like explain the finishing this product has. It has that silky, glowy but not oily that I really like, and it sits well on my skin. I think I should do like a wear test to see how well it will hold, but I really like the finishing, and this is definitely at the top of the list of my favorite foundation. This is a 3-point brow pen. I was trying to get the Benefit Cosmetics brow pen, and for some reason it was sold out everywhere. I think they discontinued this, I'm not sure, but I think they discontinued it. But also I was looking for something that was very similar, and then I stumbled upon this brand. And for someone with sparse brows, I like to fill in my brows. I like for them to have like hair-like strokes and not just a block or box there. So this allows me to kind of define my brows to be more precise. It gives me that microbladed brow effect, which I kind of like without getting an actual microblade. The Refy Beauty Lash Sculpt in the shade Black. I really like the wand and how like it coats my lashes without making them seem heavy or clumpy. I stopped wearing lash extensions a couple of months ago, and I really like how this makes my lashes just look natural but longer without making them feel clumpy. Anyone that has asked me any question about skincare as of September would know that I was talking about this moisturizer, and this is the Uncover Smooth Argan Hydrating Moisturizer. For someone with dry skin, this is actually quite moisturizing. I'm prone to clogged pores, and I've always been skeptical about moisturizers that tend to like clog your skin. I use this when I don't want something heavy, especially when I have actives on at night, and it just, yeah, very fantastic, very lightweight, very hydrating as well. If you know me, you know I love candles, you know I love anything home fragrances, diffusers, room sprays. So when I got this candle from Dysis, I was absolutely in love. This is the grapefruit and mint scent. This smells so good, and I don't like when like home fragrances have that cloudy scent. Like I want something fresh, something flowy, something clean. This gives me that vibe basically. This was a very perfect addition to my candle collection, and I think I'm now leaning into grapefruit scent. This is the scent Rufina Perfume Tester, and it is just so compact. I don't carry big bags, I carry mini bags, extra mini bags. So this is just very, you know, very small. It smells so nice. It actually smells really nice. I have like a couple of testers like this. I just absolutely love them. Or if you're in public and anyone has bill around you, just silence. And lastly, we have, this was my read for September, A Love Song for Ricki Wilde by Tia Williams. I really enjoyed this book. I'm almost done, but whenever I like a particular book, I tend to not want to finish them, because once I finish them, it's like, what do I do now? Like, what do I do now? So this was a really nice read. So yeah, I think those are some of my September favorites.